And welcome to break 2897 for the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Platinum Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, August 1st, 2020 at 11:06 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:06 p.m. Central Time, and 8:06 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have RJ with 4 spots, Rylan 2, Art 1, Josh 1, I'm Free 2, Barn 2, Rinsky 4, List 1, AA 1, JM 3, Chris with 1, Strictly 3, Jarvin 1, Nick with 1, I'm Free with 3 spots. Now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. RJ on top, I'm Free on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has RJ on top. I'm Free on the bottom. We have RJ with the Diamondbacks, G. Arvin Braves, Arts with the Orioles, I'm Free Red Sox, Josh with the Cubs, Rinsky White Sox, Rylan with the Reds, I'm Free Indians Rockies, AA Tigers, JM Astros, Rinsky with the Royals, Nick with the Angels, Rinsky Dodgers, JM Marlins Brewers, Barn with the Twins, Strictly Mets and the Yankees, List with the Athletics, we have Chris with the Phillies, I'm Free Pirates, Strictly Padres, RJ Giants, Barn Mariners, Rylan Cardinals, Rinsky Rays, RJ Rangers, Blue Jays, and last but not least, I'm Free with the Washington Nationals. Alright guys, we're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top and bottom. Not Trout, but it is Ronald Acuna. Auto, we have a Beckett Rock card review. 9/5 card, 10 on the auto. 39 out of 100. Ronald Acuna Jr. auto. Very cool for the Atlanta Braves. Congrats, whoever has the Atlanta Braves. Very cool. Let's see who has Atlanta. Maybe I did. Atlanta, G. Arvin-34. Congrats on break 2897. Cunha auto raw card review. 9/5 on the card, 10 auto. That's pretty sweet, guys. That was break 2897 for the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Platinum Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And up next, we have another Platinum, break 2903 in the 2020 Hit Parade Football Platinum Edition. Thanks.